Hey everybody, it's Kat. So I'm gonna do this like really quick makeup tutorial. I do this just like when I don't want to really look like I'm wearing any makeup, and basically it looks like I'm not wearing any makeup. So here we go. I'm gonna start with my Kat Von D Hydrating Primer, and I'm just gonna use like the tiniest bit. That's even a bit much, but let's do this. And then I'm gonna use my No Balm primer. It is by Touch and Soul company. I'm not really too sure about this company, but I've heard good things about this, so I like it. And I like to mix these together and put them just all over my face, just like the prime areas that I want to prime with me primer. And then I'm gonna go in with my Benefit Porefessional. It is my favorite, probably, pore minimizer of all time. I'm almost out, so bear with me. There we go. I'm gonna put this mainly around my T-zone and then blend it out to the other places of my face. Oh, my face feels like a baby's bottom. Awesome. And then I'm going to go in with my Stay Don't Stray by Benefit. This is actually a eyeshadow primer, but I actually use it just to kind of lighten up the dark circles under my eyes and then highlight just parts of my face that I find are a bit too red. And don't forget those little blemishes. I only cover up those big ones just to keep them hidden. Alright, then I'm gonna take my oval brush. It is actually a concealer brush. And I'm just gonna blend out everything. And then with the excess product, I'm just gonna like finish it off on my eyes, just so I don't waste any, and there's just a little bit on my eyes, so not too much. And to set that all in, I'm gonna use my Mercier powder. And we're going for a natural look, so we don't really need too much. So I'm gonna lightly tap, tappa, tappa, tappa. And then we'll start with the under eye first. That is a bit too much, so let's share. We're gonna share everywhere. And then just put some general powder just everywhere all over your face so you're not too shiny. Time to blend. Just make sure you don't look like too powdery. To add some little color to my cheeks, I'm gonna go in with my Tarte Monarch color. And I just need a little bit, so maybe 1, 2, 3, and blend it out. And again, 1, 2, 3, blush, 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 brush, 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 blend, 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 make a song out of it. And then I'm gonna use my all-nighter setting spray by Decay just to set that what I have on my face. And of course, I'm gonna use my trusty fan that broke, but we'll work with it. It just keeps breaking, but that's okay. It still works. Now to wake up my eyes, I'm going to use some Fake Away by Tarte. It is a liner pencil that helps with kind of opening and brightening your eyes up because maybe you only slept a few hours last night, or a few nights ago, almost every night. I'm just going to follow the waterline, just get that liner all over there. And then I'm going to use the other end just to blend it out so it's not too harsh. Now just so I can match my beautiful eyelash extensions with my bottom lashes, I'm gonna add a bit of Clay Mascara. Gifted Amazon Clay Smart Mascara by Tarte. And I'll just brush through my lashes just to make sure they're nice and separated and full of life. And I also fix the eyebrows because I'm not really using any product in my eyebrows, so I'm just gonna make sure they're not too wonky. I like to just brush them up. and then leave them there and see what everyone says at work. No, and then I just do a little swoop and wing it out just at the end. For my lips, I'm just gonna simply use my lip balm from the Body Shop. If I can ever get it open. There we go. And then I'm gonna set it again with my setting spray. And then one last fan. And there you have it. This is my makeup, no makeup look. And I hope you liked it. And if you wanna try it, go ahead. It's easy. Just do it. Just do it. Okay, well, have a good day, everyone. Thanks for watching, and yeah, I love y'all. Bye.